How to install and play COD Mobile on PC. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about downloading Call of Duty Mobile on computer or your laptop. So in 2025, you can play Call of Duty Mobile on your PC as well by using the Android emulators. So these emulators create a mobile environment on your computer, letting you to enjoy the game with better graphics, keyboard and mouse controls, and improved performance. And here's how you can do that. You need to first go ahead and choose the emulator like BlueStacks, GameLoop, LD Player, or any other like Nox Player, Mimu, etc. Simply go ahead and simply go to its official page of any emulator that you prefer and then tap on download it. I prefer BlueStacks, so I'm going to go in the page of BlueStacks and then tap on download BlueStacks option. Once the BlueStacks has been installed in your device, simply launch it. Now open the Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and then after tap on the search bar in the left hand side of this screen. From here, simply search for COD Mobile and search for it. Now once you find it, simply go ahead and tap on install, which is highlighted in blue color, and this will be installed in your emulator. Configure the controls and settings after installing the emulator, and that's it. You can now launch COD Mobile with the emulator, adjust the keyboard and mouse controls to your liking using the emulator's key mapping feature. You will find it in the right hand side of the screen indicating the game controls, and you can go to controls editor and edit it from over here. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.